Nadia and my fellow classmate. My name is Nur Atira Betisaan and my matric number is 279850. For today, I will be present about mini case study for question 1, the global diamond market. Three types of customers involved in the B2B buying activities is manufacturer, wholesaler, and retailer. So now I will be presenting about manufacturer. Manufacturer refer to a person or a company that make transformation of raw materials or part into completed things. Diamond manufacturing is the process of transforming a raw diamond into a polished diamond that can be put in jewelry. Manufacturing diamond consists of these following steps that can be seen in the slide. Organizational use only about 20% of diamond to be used in jewelry manufacture. The remaining 80% will be used for the main industrial. Industrial diamond are sold to companies working in the stone, ceramic, metal, and concrete industry. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Norizati binti Fauzi with the matric number 279576. Now I will present my part for the question 1.1. The second answer for this question, which is the wholesaler. Wholesaler was the individual or company that purchased a great amount of product from the manufacturer, vendor, and also the producer to sell in a small of quantity, especially to the retailer until the end consumers. First, allowing the retailer to take advantage of a lower price to easier the retailer sell at suitable price of the overall cost. Next, the wholesaler will typically buy goods direct from the manufacturer, but could also buy from a reseller. Often, a wholesaler is a specialist in one specific product or in a category of a product. Other wholesaler will offer a wide variety of products. The wholesaler can focus on one type of business for their products or offer items for sale to anyone. Then, they provide cost saving to retailer when retailer buy in bulk from the wholesaler. The retailer repackage the bulk item into smaller quantities. Lastly, they also differ from distributor in that they are typically not associated with a particular good and not likely offer the highest service level or support by official product distributor. Thank you.
The last types of business customer involved in B2B business activity is retailer. Retailers play an important role in connecting a product to consumers. Based on the passage, we can see that retailers become an important part of the role of distributing a diamond to customer. Retailer has the amount of service classification such as self-service retailers, limited service retailers, and full-service retailers. Firstly, the self-service retailers is to serve the customers who are willing to go through the search, compare and select the process by their own location to save money, like most retail shopping experience where products are available on shelf for the buyer's choice. In this supermarket, the customer themselves choose the desired product, compare it and decide what kind of product they want to buy. Secondly, the limited service retailers provide more sales assistance to buyers as they carry more shopping items about customers who need more information but typically sell items at a discount. Lastly, full service retailers are committed to assisting customers in marketing decision for each purchasing process. Retailer also has the relative price characteristic. Firstly, about discount stores sell standard items at lower price by accepting lower margins and selling higher volume. Next, about the off-price retailers are retailers that provide high quality goods at cheaper price. After that, about the independent off-price retailer, either are independently owned and run or are division of largest retail corporation. Next, A factory outlet is a manufacturer-owned store operated by firms. Lastly, the warehouse clubs are also known as wholesale clubs or membership warehouse that operate in large, structured facilities such as warehouse and offer few amenities. In conclusion, we can see that retailers are one of the important type of business customer that involve in B2B purchasing activity beside manufacturer and wholesalers.
Hi, I'm Konishwari Arpavakanagari. My metric number is 289540. I'll be talking about box 1.3 regarding a company called Capriani and the issue they had to tackle. Capriani is an Italian company located in Bologna, specializing in the production of gelato and ice cream machines. It has approximately 35% of the global market share, which both includes machines for the production of Italian artisan gelato and those for the production of soft serve gelato and ice cream. As the culture of Italian ice cream spread across the globe, they had expanded rapidly and developing a sales network of exclusive dealerships which have been guaranteed widespread distribution and continuous prompt support for end users. The Carpigani had a fall in the 1988 after the death of Porio Carpigani. Carpigani resorted to the sort of overhaul that many struggling Italian companies face. They had to relearn the importance of customer service, of quality, and of being ahead of competitors with new products. He cut costs and simplified Carpigani's structure by cutting its thousand-strong workforce by half. He scrapped television advertising. Carpigani also resorted to outsourcing its four factories, which produced about 40,000 machines last year, which are essential assembly lines as few parts are made in-house. And an emphasis on R&D has been especially important since poor materials from suppliers had caused problems in the past, and this was what Carpigani's main issue was.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Alif Daniel bin Mazin, matric number 277317. For the case study, 1.3 how the Carpigiani ice cream company have taken it is the company prioritize critical shortage by suppliers. This company may have focused for prioritize critical shortage from supplier to make sure the material can be used for long term in a good condition. The company is focused the important poor material that can affect and can run the business. Okay, the secondly is they are collaborate with suppliers. The Capigani ice cream company may collaborate with the supplier to solve this problem. They must develop for new capability to make sure the collaboration be successful. They must analyzing the supplier and identify the problem about material and find the opportunity to improve the material.
Good day, doctor and everyone. My name is Samina Bina, and I will present with two other colleagues the question box 1.10, a car manufacturer partnership in China. So the question is, how does General Motors sustain and expand its business in this case? We can see in this case that General Motors expands its business by a car manufacturer partnership in China. Why in China? It's because the Chinese marketplace offers great potential to General Motors. In fact, over 800,000 vehicles have been sold there the first half of 2009. Finally, General Motors has a wide client base. In fact, they sell cars in B2B and in B2C. Thank you. It's all for me.
Good day, Doctor. I'm Shamini Ravi, number metric 289999. Thank you, Semina, for your presentation just now. Now, I would like to present my opinion on how does General Motors sustain and expand its business in this case. Firstly, as we can see in this mini case, General Motors has agreed to joint venture with the Chinese state-owned car FAW to manufacture light trucks and vans. It is focused on the production and sale of light-duty trucks and vans. It also engaged in R&D, which is research and development, and export and after-sales support. After that, reducing operation general intensity is one of the General Motors sustainability goals. By reducing energy use overall, there will be a fewer electricity need to be covered by renewable sources or offset. To do this, General Motors uses an energy management system to achieve energy reduction goals. Last but not least, Save Our Environment proposed that General Motors makes extensive efforts to become a sustainable company. General Motors will have better chance of surviving these economic difficulties if it is become more environmentally friendly. General Motors is successful in this campaign. Sales will almost certainly improve and their image will be on of the greener, healthier earth for everybody. That's all from me. Thank you.
Good day, doctor. I'm Vinisha Perumal with metric number 289956. So, from my point of view, for question box 1.10, I think General Motors employs market development as a supporting intensive strategy for growth. In this intensive strategy, the company grows by entering new markets or market segments. For example, General Motors' growth as a global automotive business has begun significantly based on new market entry, such as when the company adds a country to its areas of operations and sales. Secondly, General Motors uses market penetration as its primary intensive growth strategy. This intensive strategy contributes to the company's growth by increasing sales in current markets. For example, General Motors expands its market reach by increasing the number of its dealerships. In this way, the distribution of GM automobiles increases, improving customers' access to these products. That's all from us. Thank you.